Today I'll teach you a special Chinese food all the contestants in the Winter Olympics like to eat. That's fried Chinese leek dumplings. See if you have an appetite. Want to eat? Add 500 grams of flour to the bowl, 5 grams of salt, 300 g warm water, then stir evenly. Knead into a smooth dough. Ferment for half an hour. Wait for the dough to ferment to make the filling. Add edible oil to the pot. Add eggs and stir fry. Pay attention to the control of fire. The eggs are tender and taste better. Sharpen the knife and cut the leeks. Chop the leeks and put them into a basin. Add edible oil. This will lock in the water and prevent the soup from appearing. Add the scrambled eggs to the leek after cooling. Add salt, chicken essence and oyster sauce and stir well. Mix it into stuffing and set aside. Rub the fermented noodles into long strips. Cut into small pieces. Roll it into a leather bag and fill it with leek. Pinch the opening tightly. Be sure to pinch it tight. Otherwise, it is easy to open when heating. After wrapping, preheat the pan. Put fried Chinese leek dumplings. Brush the surface with oil and cover the upper cover. It's easier to cook. Burn until golden on one side, turn over. Cooked on both sides. Stand up and burn it again. Wait until the surface bulges and you can get out of the pot. Fried Chinese leek dumplings completed. Very delicious.